What if I told you that some cars cost more than private jets, luxury yachts, and even mansions? Today we're counting down the 10 most expensive cars in the world. From one-off masterpieces to hypercars built for billionaires, these machines push engineering and luxury beyond imagination. Stay until the end because the number 1 car costs more than most people will earn in several lifetimes. Number 10. Bugatti Bolide. The Bugatti Bolide is a track-focused monster powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine producing over 1,500 horsepower. Weighing significantly less than other Bugattis, it was designed to be the ultimate track weapon. With only 40 units being produced, the Bolide is one of the rarest modern Bugattis ever created. Number 9. Pagani Huayra Codalunga. Pagani is famous for turning cars into rolling works of art. The Huayra Codalunga features a long-tail design inspired by classic race cars of the 1960s. Every detail is handcrafted, and each example takes months to complete. Its twin-turbo V12 delivers breathtaking performance while maintaining Pagani's signature attention to detail. Number 8. SP Automotive Chaos. Claimed to be one of the most extreme hypercars ever conceived, the Chaos aims to produce over 2,000 horsepower. Built using aerospace-grade materials and advanced manufacturing techniques, it represents the future of hypercar engineering. Number 7. Bugatti Mistral. The Mistral is Bugatti's final road car powered by the legendary W16 engine. As the automotive world transitions toward electrification, the Mistral serves as a farewell celebration to one of the greatest engines ever built. Number 6. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Despite being based on a car that first appeared decades ago, the Zonda remains one of the most desirable supercars on Earth. The HP Barchetta features a unique roofless design and an unforgettable naturally aspirated V12 soundtrack. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. Imagine commissioning a car the same way someone commissions a luxury yacht. That's exactly what Rolls-Royce offers with the Boat Tail. The rear deck opens to reveal a luxury hosting suite complete with custom accessories, making it one of the most personalized cars ever created. Number 4. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Created as a tribute to Bugatti's legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, La Voiture Noire is a one-off masterpiece. Its sleek black bodywork hides a quad-turbocharged W16 engine and represents the pinnacle of Bugatti design. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Droptail. Each Rolls-Royce Droptail is custom-built according to its owner's exact specifications. No two are alike. From handcrafted wood interiors to bespoke luxury details, every Droptail becomes a unique automotive artwork. Number 2. Mercedes-Maybach Accelero. Originally developed as a high-speed tire testing vehicle, the Accelero became one of the most iconic one-off cars ever produced. Its massive twin-turbo